Welcome. Today I will talk about all the resources which I used and found beneficial for the American Board of Internal Medicine Certification Examination. One of the subscriber of my channel requested to know the resources which I used for this exam preparation. Before I begin, here I want to make it clear that I do not have any financial relationships with all the resources and companies which I will mention in this video. So all these resources I'm mentioning you based on my personal experience. First, I used MCSAP. I used 17 because that was the latest edition that time. Now they have MCSAP 18. So what I did, I mainly reviewed all the questions from MCSAP. Then I also did their virtual diagnosis, as well as I did the flashcards. So all these techniques and all these divisions of MCSAP helped me to learn in different way. And I believe it also helped me to remember as well. And just before the exam, I only read the educational objectives of all the questions because I did not have enough time to prepare because I started my job as soon as I finished my training. So I needed to be very vigilant and very efficient of my exam preparation. So I mainly highlighted and focused on the educational objectives maybe 1 or 2 days before my exam. However, before that, I read all other things which I already mentioned. Secondly, I used USMLE World. I mainly used their question banks nearly for 3 months before my exam. And same thing I did before few days of my final exam. I read the educational objectives and also practiced some questions in a time mode. That was very helpful for me. Another thing here I would like to mention that during the residency, either it is like 3 years or 4 years, try to attend majority of the morning reports, noon conferences, and grand rounds. So as a result, what will happen when you are joining all those, you will learn many things. You can like really never imagine that how many things you will learn with all these sessions over the many years. And also what you can do, I know that majority of the program, they offer board preparation like courses, either it could be paid outside or maybe inside of the hospital. Join those sessions because all those attendings are very experienced and they know what they're talking about. Take the advantage of those courses which are offered by your residency program. Finally, one resources I found very helpful, what I will do, I will share the screen with you so that you can see it easily. If you go to the ACP website, American College of Physicians website, and if you type here board preparation, you will be able to find all those slides under the ACP board prep curriculum. I found those slides very helpful because along with important topics, they described very briefly, as well as they had some questions as well. And before my exams, I review them at least 2 or 3 times because they are very brief, however, focusing on the topics which are very often tested. So try this resource. I believe you will find it helpful as it was quite useful for me. So mainly I used MCSAP, USMLE World, joined the grand round morning reports, all those didactics. And finally, I used the ACP board curriculum slides from the ACP website. I want to mention here that ACP, this American Board of Internal Medicine examination, not only testing your knowledge. However, you need test-taking strategies in order to finish all those questions in time and pass this exam in fast time. So try to learn both because it will truly help you. And in my other video, I also mentioned all those tips and strategies that you can use and implement before the exam as well as on the exam day. So please take a look at that video. I hope you will find that useful. If you have any other resources that you found helpful for your preparation, please mention in the comment section so that others can benefit from your knowledge and expertise as well. If you have any questions, comments, or if you want me to make a video on any particular topics, please mention in the comment section. I always make sure to go through them very attentively. I hope you find this video useful. Please like this video, subscribe this channel to your friends and colleagues. I will see you in the next video. Best wishes for your exam preparation. Take care.